What's up, everybody on YouTube? AJ Russ back here with another video, and today I'll be showing y'all how to make pancakes from scratch. Yes sir, let's get it. In the past year and a half to 2 years, making pancakes have unanimously been my favorite thing about cooking. I've of course made classic buttermilk pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes, birthday cake pancakes, blueberry pancakes, and of course Oreo pancakes. But that was all from a box method. Now though, I figured it's time to level up and make pancakes from scratch. My family on both sides are amazing at cooking, and when I was younger, my dad showed me how to cook pancakes. So through memories and more research, I decided that I'd try to make them on my own. So let's get started. So starting off with the dry ingredients, you'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt. When I eat pancakes, I usually eat 5 pancakes. So measurements wise, you'll need 2.5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of both baking soda and baking powder. Once you measure these all out in a large bowl, you can mix them together so they'll all be combined. Then in another bowl, you'll measure out your wet ingredients. And the wet ingredients you'll need are buttermilk, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and melted butter. For buttermilk, I usually buy a small pint from the store, but measurement wise, it's best to use at most 2 cups, so the mix won't be soupy. And then I usually add a tablespoon worth of vanilla extract, and I just take some butter out and melt it in a bowl. Once you put all of those wet ingredients in a bowl, you'll mix them together, and when done, you'll pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and then mix those. If you want fluffy pancakes like me, which why wouldn't you, don't overmix. Once you see lumps and no more flour, you should stop, and then let your batter rest for probably like around 5 to 10 minutes. In those 5 to 10 minutes of waiting, you want to prepare your pan, which I put on a medium heat, and once I'm ready, I'll put the butter on the pan so I can get those crispy edges, and then I'll put my batter on the pan. Usually it may take from 1 to 2 minutes for the pancakes to be ready to flip, but sometimes I peek. But when it's ready, you'll then flip it over, and man, that's a beautiful pancake with crispy edges for sure. You'll simply repeat the process until you cook all the batter, and to keep the pancakes warm, between cooking you'll want to put them in the oven on a tray at about a temperature of 200 degrees. After that, make sure you clean all your dishes, and then you can prepare to eat a wonderful breakfast. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is my first time making pancakes from scratch. Man, they came out great. You see them? Oh my gosh, I'm about to dive in for sure. It was my first time making pancakes from scratch. It was definitely a different experience. I learned on YouTube, and like I said, from family members and things like that, but it was honestly not too hard. I mean, if y'all follow these steps and look at more YouTube videos, I'm for sure that y'all be able to make pancakes from scratch. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at SwaggyRuss. Appreciate y'all watching. More cooking videos to come. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all make some pancakes from scratch, and let me know how it turns out in the comments down below. So yeah, appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one. Be blessed.